message, you understand, for the marriage ones, you understand. If you are in a committed relationship, you understand, let me teach you something. Praying to each other, you understand. Have a boundary, bonds, where nobody can come between each other, you understand. When I say real love, this is a production of real love. Y'all pray, as in pray to each other, as in wherever you want to be, whatever your king, your queen want to be, you understand. Praying to each other, you understand. Believing each other, you understand, as a whole force, you understand. Embrace the divine and the masculine energies, you understand. This is divine, you understand. This is ancient love, you understand. For the marriage ones, you understand. Be in love with yourselves, you understand? Be in love with your whole bondage, you understand? Be in love with what you was committed to. Believe it true, you understand? Whatever you want to be, you understand? This is real life love, you understand? Each one teach one, you understand? We all guys, you understand? Praying to each other, you understand? You're kings and queens, you understand? You can do whatever you want to do. I say.